my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate for spring. I'm jumping right into the video guys. Guys, I love white furnitures or neutral. By adding colors, I just add flowers or pillows that have the colors on them just to elevate the look, to change the season. And sometimes, if you are somebody like me that love to decorate, that's the only thing you have to do. You don't have to go over and beyond. It's like the same exact thing that you have, changing places or just reuse them over and over again. Because everything that I'm using in this video, that things I already have at home. And guys, it's the best way to do again, to shop your home before you go to buy anything expensive that you're going to put in the corner for after a while. Okay guys, these flowers, that's what I had. I'm going to remove them. As you can see, I'm struggling to remove them guys, because I added tape just to secure them, and remove them is not easy, which is I love, because I have small children and my kid touch a lot. So this one is very useful for me. When you add tape, it just secure the plants, secure the flowers, whatever you put, just to keep them in place. Okay guys, I'm using the perfect glass just to clean the vase, because I'm going to keep the same exact vase, and I'm going to keep everything just the way they were, just add a little bit flowers just to change your look, to let you know guys it's spring. Honestly, all my decors are timeless. It's depend of you. So some people love pink, some people love blue, white, yellow, gold. So my decor are timeless guys. So if you are a home decor lover and you love to decorate your home like every time, every week, all the time, this channel is definitely for you. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. In my channel guys, I do pretty much everything. I do home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. And guys, if you're not new, you haven't subscribed yet, consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on. For my dining table guys, I'm not going to set it up today. I'm just going to do a centerpiece just to make it pretty whenever somebody step inside the house, because the dining room, that's the first thing you see whenever you step inside my home. And I love to keep it clean all the time and keep it beautiful whenever, if I'm not serving food. So the centerpiece must be on point all the time and every time. It has been a while since I did a shopping haul guys. I haven't shopped lately for home decor. Everything that I use, I already have them home. I just change them places and just change the look a little bit. This flower arrangement, I made it myself. It's a DIY. All the flowers from Amazon, and this pretty vase, I get it Georgia, Atlanta, and on my trip last year. So it was so pretty, and I bought it to make this DIY. Those candle holder, I got them from Z Gallery. Yo, it has glass, but I cannot find them. They I just leave them like that guys. So this is what I have so far. I really love how everything turns out. Today I decided to not put any table setting or anything. Okay guys, moving on to the kitchen. I had family over, my nephew and nieces. So guys, I wanted to do a cleaning, not a deep clean because I'm not cleaning the grout. I'm not overdoing today. Just something simple to keep my home fresh and beautiful. Alright guys, it's another way for me to say welcome spring because I'm changing the colors. I have my home all black and white. Right now, I'm going to add a little pink everywhere throughout my home. So right now, I finished with the dining room, and now the kitchen. I'm going to do my bedroom and living room, and everywhere I'm going to add a little touch of colors. So make sure to come back to see how I transform my entire home. Okay guys, as you can see, the way I clean the chair and this towel, I wash it in between, and I put just a little dish soap on it to clean the chair thoroughly. So it's not recommended, but that's the way I clean my things. And guys, even I spray it, but I still wash with water, and once the towel is oversaturated, just to have a clean look, to make it very, very clean. And you know guys, it's white. I don't want it to lose the color. And the thread on the chairs, sometimes if you don't wash it nice, it's gonna look black or darker than the original color. And that's the thing I like about it. And guys, this chair, it's very nice. It's movable. Is you can detach it as you want. If you want, you can bend down to clean the bottom like I did the first one. Or if you don't want, you can just remove everything and then just clean the bottom while you're standing. It's another way and easy to put back. My sister gave me these chairs and I really like them. And guys, they go so well with my decor.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. Falling in love. You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. I feel like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know. And I ain't playing no games, baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, it's making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling.
After all the cleaning is done, now it's time to decorate. Guys, I'm starting with this tray that I get from Home Goods a while back, and this is my DIY. I got it from the thrift store, and those beautiful flowers from Home Goods. I think Happy Labby. It's a mixed flowers. Alright guys, this candle from M&SENSE. And guys, they reached out over to me and they sent me those two candles. Guys, the first one I'm going to open is Peony Blush Soda. And guys, I love this jar. It's super elegant and it's beautiful, perfect for spring, as you can see. And guys, it's a 12.7 ounces. It burned up to 75 hours long. Slow burning, spring flow fragrance, relaxing aromatherapy candle. And guys, I really love it. If you want to take your home to the next level, this one can be a good option. The blue one is my big time favorite. It's made of jasmine. The name of it is Jasmine Gallon. And guys, I really love the smell. It's made of organic soy. And guys, 75 hours long lasting aesthetic candle for gift for women. You can gift it for Mother's Day, guys, that coming, and it's gonna be a very good gift. If you do, you can use it for your home. And guys, the link will be in the description box down below. If you want to make your home look very nice, this one can be a super good option because I really love it. Once I light it up, the house is like, oh my goodness, you just want to know, just buy it and you will see what I'm talking about, because that's something that I really love and I'm gonna keep it to my home. Okay guys, this is the way the kitchen look right now. So let me know down below if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I'm currently working in my patio. This is my backyard. This is gonna be for another video. But guys, I'm telling you, if you're on the market for good lighting, this one can be an option because I love to put light throughout my home. And this way it make the house look nice. As you can see, the night I love to sit outside to listen to the bird during the morning, and privacy is a priority for me. So I just put some panel and just to make it look nice. And the light, it's perfect for nighttime. And guys, you can use it year round because they change colors and everything. I'm going to do a full videos once I'm done with everything. As you see my little garden coming up, and guys, bear with me, it's gonna come slowly, but I have some good content for you guys. You're going to see how I transform everything, and so far so good. I have some paint job to do, and that's the way the night look like, and it's privacy, and I love that. And I can sit, it's not totally blackout, but as you can see, my skid coming to show me to do the demo for me, guys, but I really love it. I have my water purifier. Some people don't like things in the counter, but that's all I have. I'm going to use it. And guys, as you can see, the way it is when the light turn off, I have my Worcester to watch over people that seasoning the chicken, because the chicken must be well seasoned, well good. Okay guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and keep on watching.
Waiting on the day when we don't feel the same. We've come a long way. Don't ever let it change. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me, so keep on going. We got good things coming.
Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video today. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.